Welcome to TestNexus. In this video, we will demonstrate the application's mock location functionality. First, we'll select the Map Mocking feature from the main screen. This tool allows you to simulate device movement between any 2 points on a map. To begin, simply tap 2 locations on the screen to define a starting and ending point for your simulated route. When you start the simulation for the first time, the app will prompt you to set TestNexus as your device's mock location app. This is a required one-time setup in your phone's developer options. Please note, for this to work, developer options must already be enabled on your Android device. If it isn't, you can typically enable it by going to About Phone in your settings and tapping on the build number 7 times. As instructed by the app, navigate to Developer Options, find the Select Mock Location App setting, and choose TestNexus. After configuring the setting, you will need to restart the TestNexus application for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, you can begin the location simulation by tapping Start. You now have the controls to stop the simulation at any time and then start it again. The Clear button will remove the current route. Additionally, TestNexus displays the current simulated GPS coordinates in a persistent notification, so you can always verify the mock location at a glance. This concludes our demonstration of the mock location feature. Thank you for watching.